In the grade 1 music theory exam, you'll sometimes come across a question where you need to determine which note is higher or lower. Now the trick here is to pay attention to the accidentals that are placed next to the notes. Today we'll be focusing on the crucial art of accidentals and how they are cancelled correctly. So let's take a look at these examples. We have 3 notes of different pitches. Now, which note from each example is the lowest? Correct, the flats are lower. Now let's move on to another example. This time they feature the sharp accidental. Correct, sharps are higher. So the first note, the natural notes are the lowest, or we could say the sharps are the highest note, depending on the question that is being asked. Now that we've covered identifying higher and lower notes, let's talk about how accidentals and bar lines work together. When an accidental, such as a flat or a sharp, is written, all the other notes on the same pitch or in the same position on the staff are affected by that accidental. But here's the catch. It only applies until a bar line is drawn. For instance, in this example, we have a natural note, a sharp note, and another sharp note within the same bar. However, the note after the bar line returns to its natural state as the effect of the sharp is cancelled. The bar line neutralizes the note, so it becomes a natural note once again. In this example, the key signature G major features the F sharp, meaning all notes written as an F automatically become sharps unless we introduce accidentals. Now keep in mind that notes have the same letter name, but occupying different positions on the staff do not affect each other's accidentals. For instance, note 1 is D natural, note 2 is D flat, with the accidental included, and note 3 is also a D natural. The flat symbol from note 2 doesn't affect it because it's not the same pitch. In fact, note 3 is an octave higher, so it remains unaffected. So music theory should be easy to understand, but if you are still scratching your head, which is not uncommon, or not familiar with key signatures or major scales, then these videos will bring you up to date in no time at all.